What's up guys, Jacob here from In Any Event, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our 2.3 meter portable flower wall frame. Let's do it. Now we've removed the frame from the bag and this is what we've got. Now a good way to remember which side up is these little tabs. They're on top. If you've got them on top, it's the right side up. You're good to go. So I find the easiest way to extend this frame is to put it on the ground, hands on both sides, grab it, squeeze, and walk back. So now that you've extended the frame, you just need to push in all of the little clips. And when it comes to disassembling the frame, all you need to do, push this little tab and it releases like so. So the frame's extended, the clips are all done up. Now it's time to add the slats for a little bit of rigidity. Now you'll find in your bag there's two types of slats. This one here, double-ended, and this one with sort of an arrow point on one end. Now a good way to remember is the arrow point goes up. It points up, you've got it going the right way. This one goes horizontally like that. So this one slots in like that, this one goes up like that. So you're going to want to put the vertical slats in first. Now remember, arrow pointing up, so just slot that one in and then slide it in on the bottom. So now that you've slotted in the vertical bars, it's time for the horizontal ones, and now all you need to do for these is move the vertical one over just a little bit so that you can slot this one in like so, do the other side and move that back, you're done. Now I should mention that you don't actually need to use all of the slats, but the more you use, the more rigid the frame will be. Now I'll also mention that if you've got the space, you may find it easier to actually lay the frame flat on its back and put the slats in and then lift it back up. That way you don't need a ladder. Now I will add that if you're using the frame outside or not up against a wall like it is here, I recommend the use of a weight, something like a sandbag, just to keep it steady. So that's it. The frame's now assembled and all you need to do now is add the flower panels. So for today's wall, I'm going to be using our boxwood hedge panels. Now these are 60 centimeters by 40 centimeters, so we're going to need 24 of these to fill our 2.3 by 2.3 meter frame. So you may have your own way of doing this, but we find the easiest and quickest way to prepare these flower walls is to pre-connect them in strips of 6. So that way we'll have 4 strips of 6 flower wall panels. Now you'll find that there is a clip on one edge of the flower wall panel and a pin on the other, and you use this to connect them, but we recommend the use of cable ties just to double up on the strength. So now that you've attached your flower wall panels together and have 4 strips of 6, you can actually get away with just attaching them from the top bar and letting them hang down. So you want to attach the top panel to the top bar of the frame. Now it's as easy as threading a cable tie through the lattice backing, back around the back, and then tightening her up. Now you'll notice that I actually left quite a lot of overhang at the top here. Now that's just so that you ensure you cover the whole frame and you don't get any bunching at the bottom. So that's it. Now you've hung all 4 strips of 6 flower wall panels. You've got a portable flower wall frame and a backdrop ready to go.